I'm going to introduce this CZ Purlin interchange machine to you. It's automatically changed. The machine is driven by chain. Firstly, let's start from the input side. This is general overload. Overlock. Okay, from now on I will going to introduce to you one step by one step. Here is the input table. The input width can be adjusted by this handle. By twisting, you can check. The distance will be bigger and smaller. This unit is for leveling and clamping the material to the forming rollers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's seven roller leveling. Clamping system, clamping the material, and again this is clamping material. This one is for use to adjust the plate thickness. Again, this unit is also controlled for machine input width. This is a roller. It's well machined. The guiding vertical roller. With this unit, we can change the C purling width and also the Z purling width and height. This is guide, what we call liner speed, a liner guide. This is motor. Now we go into the roll forming steps. For the forming steps, because we will not change the C from C to Z purling, we use this one. We take it out and then we twist it. We take it out and twist it. So it could change from C to Z. Here is the button. You can press and stop. The basement will move on the guide, on the rail. This vertical roller, it helped to make the good angle for C and the Z purling. Here it's the guide unit, or it's used to regulate the shape for C and the Z purling after the formed roller. Oh my goodness. In this machine, we combine the CZ multiple cutter. It means we no need to change the cutting die for each size. This cutting die can adjust itself for multiple size, Z purling and C purling. That's why we call it combination cutter. This is the hydraulic station, pump station. This machine was sold to Indian market, and we can certainly, once the temperature is higher, we combine this fan and the hydraulic system. Check the hydraulic motor power is 22 kilowatt. And this is operation panel. This machine can form the thickness up to 3 millimeter. And in this line, the motor is a little bit different from the normal one. Motor. It's different from the other normal one. Okay, remember we are LOTOS. If you want to contact with us, you can send a mail to us, wxlotos@gmail.com, and you are welcome to visit our website, www.lotosforming.com. Also, you can subscribe our LOTOS channel in YouTube. You will find more and more video about the reforming machines, and we are ready to offer you the reforming solutions. Okay, see you next time.